Alright, so I just got done working on the lawnmower, the fast one. Got my little camera thing right here. I'll tell you guys for right in a second, but had a problem yesterday with the motor on this thing. It locked up on me. I don't know why exactly yet, but I think it was a starter came up and it was pressing against the flywheel, and that's what was causing it not to turn over, because I don't think it would just lock up. It's got plenty of oil in it. And I went to a junkyard and I got a new one of these covers. I'll show you guys real quick. Throw some stuff in this box, but if you guys remember, this right here was the old cover where someone had cut it. You can see the difference right here, or of how much they cut off of it, about right there. But that should help with the air filter, and I just bought a new belt for it. I put this one on, and it's a half by 88, a Ramad belt or something. They didn't have I would recommend probably an 87, but they didn't have one. And I'll show you guys how this is set up. So I have a little 3-inch pulley on the back. It's 3 inches wide, and then I have a 4 on the front, and then your 2 idlers that help keep tension on it. And I have this big fat spring on it that holds a lot of tension on that. So when I'm going really fast, it helps it a lot to not slip. But this motor right here has been pretty good so far, me running. I had to adjust it. I bought a carburetor rebuild kit, new air filter, new spark plugs, whole 9 yards, and I put a brand new EverStart battery in it, so that doesn't have a problem cranking over anymore. Let me put that back on. But yeah, this is a 6-speed. Got all your 6 speeds, and then one for reverse. But this thing it runs pretty good. I mean, at least island. The only problem I have with this is because of the way this is set up, you have your mowing thing, because it's still got all it connected. You have to turn it up like this to turn it over. A second. Alright, what the heck? There it goes. Yeah, that was the problem, but this thing runs pretty good though. Most part, but hey guys, for a quick ride in it. Sorry if that was a little bit of a bumpy ride, but this thing goes about 25 or more. I mean, thing runs great. I mean, I don't even have to pull the choke out on it to really get her going. It just wants to start up immediately. But so far I've only paid $50 for this lawnmower. I paid 20 bucks for a whole lawnmower, sort of like this one with this motor in it, and I just put $20 on a belt. The pulleys were like $20 a piece. I mean, I don't really recommend doing something like this unless you're just, you know, trying to have fun like me, because this is way more fun than riding the dirt bike and everyone looks at you like, what the heck, man, he's a redneck. But that's how it is around here. We're all rednecks, like to have fun. But just figured I'd show you. I got her all going and everything, and runs pretty good and goes pretty fast. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.